Monopoly Fall Guys, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to have the most kudos once all the crowns have been collected and each player makes it back to go. At the start of the game, assemble the obstacles. Slide the big Yeetus onto the post and place one here, here, and here. Place the moving wall on the track and place one here, 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 and here. Snap the seesaw onto its base and place one here and here. Slide the walls back and the hammers to the side to reveal the space beneath. Money is replaced by kudos. Each player takes 5 1,000 kudos and 1 5,000 kudos. Place 6 crowns by the board. Each time a player passes go, they collect 1 crown. At the end of the game, crowns are worth 10,000 kudos each. Give each player a reference card. Properties are called rounds. Auctions start at 1,000 kudos and increase by 1,000 kudos or more. If no one bids, then the property stays with the bank. There are no houses or hotels. On your turn, roll the number and action die. You may either move, then perform the action on the die, or perform the action on the die first, then move. When moving, if you reach an activated obstacle on the board, you must stop on the space right before it. It is blocking your path and you cannot continue forward. The big Yeetus and moving wall obstacles have 2 states, activated and deactivated. The big Yeetus's activated state is like this, and its deactivated state is like this. The moving wall's activated state is like this, and deactivated state like this. The big Yeetus and moving wall start the game deactivated. The seesaw is always activated, but it does not block your path. The die actions are: dive. If an activated obstacle blocks your path, move to the space just beyond it, then move like normal, ignoring the effects of the space you dove to. Grab. Move one other player's token 1 space forward or backward, but you cannot move a player onto an activated big Yeetus or moving wall space. The player does not follow the rules of the space they are moved to. Kudos. Collect 2,000 kudos. Red lines. Activate or deactivate any one obstacle. If you activate an obstacle for a space that another player's piece is on, then, for the big Yeetus, knock their piece off the board. For the moving wall, push and bonk their piece off the board. For the seesaw, launch their piece off the board. Players whose pieces were affected in this way are placed at the last corner space that player passed, ignoring the rules for that space. Deactivated obstacles function like normal spaces you can land on. The rules for those spaces are: pink. Roll the number die and collect 1,000 kudos times the number rolled. Green. Roll both dice and move again, taking another turn. Yellow. Collect 2,000 kudos from the bank. Blue. Pay 2,000 kudos to the bank. To get out of jail, you must roll a 6 or pay 5,000 kudos. If you don't roll a 6 by your 3rd turn, then you must pay the 5,000. If you can't afford something, you can sell rounds back to the bank for the price listed on the board. If you still don't have enough money, then pay all you have, but you are not eliminated and you keep playing. The player who collects the final crown stops on go, even if they would have moved further, and waits for all the other players to make it back to go. Once everyone does, then each player collects rent from the bank for each round they own, and 10,000 kudos for each crown. Then, the player with the most kudos wins.